Boom. Lasso. Yakuduk. Okay. Ta top some. Kerjong chikin. Top some kerjong chikin. Roa. Little bit revision. Ah. Ha. Ah. Three root sound. Roa. Very important. Pay calcium pore. Hakosuma. Because it is all the root of pronunciation. Hakosuma. Dadang yakpo. Ah. Ha. Ah. Hakosung. Dadang yakpo hakosung. Hakosuma. Tene. Ah. Nangla. Sa. Pa. Yoruba. Okay. Tene. Ha. Yoruba. Ni tene. Ah. Nangla. Ra. Ma. Na. La. Ta. Ka. Pa. Yoruba. Okay. Please, you can say it, practice it in the mute. How goes now? Very important. Hmm. Pero, lasso. Then, oh, any alphabet with the ka suffix. Riba? Huh? Yeah, let's try in the Pema Jimbala. Tilotang. Let's try read this.
Ma kikumi komik.
Mm-hmm.
Ma naromo komok. Ma naromo komok. Mok mok.
Mm-hmm.
La ka lak pa lakpa.
That's it. Peabo. Peabo song song. Oh, taha gosunga ma kikumi ka mik. La ka lak pa lakpa mok mok pe sung sung. Ha gosunga any main sound with the ka suffix. Riba? Little practice. Then any main sound with the la suffix. Riba? Yeah. Candice la inda. Candice la. Dilorona.
Palapel, au balabel, kalakel, talatel, na la nel, ra la rel, sa la sel, ba la bel, ma la mel.
Riba di sa la sel. Rida di category marwa. Sa.
Sa la sel.
That's it. Peago. Very good. Candice lagi peago loson. Tujiche. Laso. Teneya. Any alphabet with the na suffix. Riba? Peago. Susi luna la inda. Susi luna la.
La na len
Uh-huh.
ma drempona nen no nen na kikun
1 minute.
na
Ma tempo me na men.
ma tempo me na men.
That's it. Peago.
Ma kiku mi na min.
That's it.
Ra kiku ri na rin.
That's it.
Ma narona
Mare.
ma naromo na mon. Pa naro po na pon. Sa naro so na son.
That's it. Peago. Very good. Peago song. Keeping three root sound in the mind. Peago song. Susi lana. Tujiche. Rua. Peago. Okay. Peago song. Now we have little idea with Any main sound with the na suffix. Any main sound with the la suffix. Any main sound with the ka suffix. Agosuma, we already know this. How to read this. Okay? Then on the previous class, we learn about prefix, not the suffix. Prefix. Remember? Kao, tao, mao, ao, pao. You remember? Like this. Remember? Hola, so let's say, yeah. Mm, uh, we know that on the out of ha, ah, only category changes sound when there is a prefix. How goes it? Okay, is that clear? That's all. Only category change the sound when there is a prefix, right? For example, we have here category pa. Candice Kyla has read pa la pel, a ba la bell, pel, bell. We can notice the sound change here. How goes one? Very good. Then my question is, if there is a prefix, only a category change sound and these two doesn't. But how many different type of sound they change to? Yeah, Frank Koisla in the. Can you explain?
Sorry, I did not understand the question.
Oh, you know
How
that
many? Yeah,
when there is a
I know.
in the R category, the sound changes, right? Changes
Yeah.
to how many types?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hold on a sec. I think the ba, the final, the last one, the ba, the ka, the ta,
Mm-hmm.
la, na, mara, stay the same. I think only the last two change.
Oh, no. That's
No,
correct.
because ra will remain ra, na will remain na, ma will remain ma,
Mare.
but
Agosma,
okay.
it's not like this. Very good. But you know that last three changes. Rava? Very good.
Yes,
Notice.
last three, yes.
But you don't realize this yet. We're gonna learn this today. Last time we just introduced Agosma. Now I want to say there is only two types. Okay, two types. It changes to. Only two types. That's it. Agosma, only two types. One is more bass from pa to b, b. Pa to b, tha to d, ka to g. What is common? The sound becoming more bass. You see. Agosma? But the correct way they say in the linguist, they say less aspiration. When you say pa, you release a slow air. When you say ba, almost no air. Like this. Ba. So in terms of air in, out, you can say aspiration, difference. In terms of sound, how we hear, I would say bold, more bass. One is more higher. For example, ma to ma, na to na, like this. Ya to ya, like this. How goes ma? Okay? Some of them remain the same, so we don't worry about them. But those who change, we should practice how to read. Hakusuma? Oh yeah, well, very good. That's it. If that's clear, is that clear? Huh? Last. Okay. Now we know sound changes to only two types. One is more bass and one is higher, from normal sound to higher. Hakusuma? Like this. Boom. Now let's practice a little bit. Dhruva. Hmm. Let's take here. No changing sound. Where we know that when it's a category, it doesn't change the sound. Only the a category changes. Hakusuma. So keeping that in mind, let's read this. Yeah. Frank Oislander. Try Charana. Yes. Frank Oisler.
Ah, okay. Okay. Ka, sa, la, sel,
Hmm? Cell. Like Dhruva. Hmm?
sel.
Hmm?
Okay, sel. Pa, sa, gi, gu, si, la, sil.
That's it.
Ka, sa, na, sen.
That's it.
Ka, sa, dreng, pu, se, ra, ser.
That's it. Whether there is a prefix or no prefix. Sa tempo se ra ser. Ka sa tempo se ra ser. Or kao sa tempo se ra ser. Chikbare. Same.
Okay.
Agosunga, you can see no sound change here. Because it's a category here in this case. Agosunga, like this. Then Adam la in the Adam la. Adam la. The correct category, re, which category it is? Can you read this?
Dele,
Delegate.
this a category and is pa.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Diloro now.
ta, pa, la, hel,
Yeah, that's it.
ta, sorry, ta, pa, naru, po, na, pun,
Yeah,
ta, pa, a, pa,
Pa, like this.
pa,
Because it's ah, so no effect.
a,
It was pa and ah together, pa. Right?
okay,
It was
pa,
pa. So I will suggest us, everyone, to practice in mute. How goes na? Huh? So now let's take some category here. How goes na? So then yeah, Pedro la in the Pedro la. Pedro la di try cherona.
Hello.
Tashi delek Pedro la.
Oh.
Pedro,
Uh,
Pedro.
yes,
Lasso.
yes. Pa, ta, mara, ren.
Mare. Narsa. Ha.
Mer.
Mare. Mar.
Mar. Okay. Mar. Mar. Okay. Ta, mara, mar. Ta, maka, mak.
That's it.
Ta, ma, na, man.
Men.
Men.
We know
Men.
N with the na suffix.
Yes.
Huh?
Men. Okay.
That's it. Very
Okay.
good. So
Okay.
simple we have here ma. Then we have here tha, ma, ra, mar. Tha, ma, ka, mak. Tha, ma, na, men. How goes ma? Okay. Pedro la tujiche peyagulo song. Very good. Then ya iong la in the iong la. Iong la diloro na.
다시 델레.
다시 델렉 이온라. 응?
다시 델레.
다시 델렉.
아, 가, 나, nên.
That's it. 빼하고.
가, 나, 마, ờ, nêm,
남. 어?
năm, khá, ná, thả, nát.
가, 나, 다, 네. Like this. I understand. We didn't come to the tha suffix yet, but we will learn it. It makes a sound when there is a tha suffix. 하고서 that's it. We will do this again during the textbook learning. 하고서 no problem. Okay. 빼하고. Other than this, 가, 나, nen, 가, 나, 마, 남. 빼하고 넣었어. Very good. 이용라 투지치. 응? 라스. 하고서 라스. 되네야. 카타리나라인다. 카타리나라. 카타리나라 딜로로나. 다시 델렉. 라스.
다시 델레.
다시 델렉.
어, 아오, 카, 마, 감,
마마레 라르와 디.
라, 디, 어, 카, 디, oh, 라.
라르와. 응?
Did I say kao, ka,
가마야.
uh,
아오르와. 아오.
ao, ka, la, kal.
L sound. Gel.
El, kal,
Gel. Gel.
gel.
But I
Okay.
understand when you say gal, that's a come accent. Most come
Oh,
they say gal
uh,
like this. Ruba?
awesome.
Like this. Very good. Paya buduk. Ruba? Chugal. Oh. Ruba?
Gal, gel, gel.
Ruba?
Uh,
Chugal. Chugal. Chuja. Oh. Namgyal. Namgyal.
gel,
Namjal.
gel,
Namja. Like Ruba? Oh.
gel, gel. Oh,
Gel. Ao ka la
gel,
gel.
gel. Ao, ka, la, gel.
Oh.
Dao, ga, ga, ga,
Gak.
ga.
Gak. Ruba? Tene dilorona.
Dao, Dao, ga, dengo, ge, na, gen.
Tao ka dingbo ge na gen.
Gen,
Hmm.
gen. Pao, ga, naro, go, la, gol. Ma, ga, naro, go, mok.
Mare. Mao.
No. Mao, ga, naro, go.
That's it.
Uh,
Mao ka
go.
go. Sometimes letter with the prefix but no suffix.
Mm,
That's
mm.
an example. Tujiche
Thank you.
katakana. Olas.
Tujichi.
Tujiche. Then let's take, imogen line that. Let's take tha and let's try the sound change. Ruba? Imogen hemenla. Lasso.
Ouais, Rachidele.
Rashidelek.
Sorry. Kao, da, na, den,
Mhm.
bao, da jembu, de, hanaru, po,
Mhm.
depo,
Peapo. Depo.
depo, debo, depo, depo.
Depo. Keran depo impe. Depo. Depo. Like this. Ruba?
Thank you.
Mhm.
Did you check? Okay. Ao, da, shaju, du, na, dun,
Peapo. Mhm.
mao, da, shaju, du, na, dun,
Peapo.
Mao. Tanaruto.
빼고.
Ba. Da. Ka. No, bao. Da. Ka. Da.
빼고. duck. That's it.
Da. Ao. Da. Kigu. Di.
That's it. Di carere, di carere, di carere. Right? Di. 빼고 loso. Imogen kujichi. 빼고 loso. Very good. 좋아?
Chichi.
응? 야, 되네. 엘렌라인다. 엘렌라 딜로타.
다시 들어보겠습니다.
다시 delete.
팔라, 팔라라,
응.
타냐,
아,
냐,
말해.
나,
어, 덴델로로나.
타,
아오, 파, 라,
아,
벨.
펠, 펠,
벨 말해. Because of the
펠,
prefix, this ha becomes bold. Ba.
bold, bold,
This pa becomes bold. How goes on?
all,
Like this.
all,
Okay, bell, bell.
펠, 펠,
That's it, bell. The
펠,
la bell, bell,
펠,
bell, bell.
펠,
Oh, you see the
펠.
difference here? When I say,
Mm-hmm.
see if you can hear the difference. Bell, 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 bell.
펠,
When there is a prefix, the sound changes from pa to ba, bell, like this. No
mm-hmm.
prefix, bell. So
Just 펠.
that's it. Fair one.
Okay.
Now let's try this. Yeah, in the
Okay. Ta, na, tan.
N sound.
Ten,
Hmm?
10. Ka, ta, na, 10,
Then.
10,
That's it. Very good. Agosma, if I will say hen, then,
10,
then,
10, 10,
then.
10.
If you can hear the difference, that's good enough. Agosma, whether you can pronounce it properly or not. Right now, if you can hear the difference, that's good. Agosma. When there is a prefix, when there is no prefix. Then, then,
10.
bell, bell. Like this. 하고서 빼 올라서 두지치 올라서 그만치고 올라서 okay. Now we see here some examples of sound changes. 하고서 okay. But we see here some sound changes when there is a prefix of a category here. But if the ha and a category, then no sound change, easy. Kausa dembose ra ser, kausa ra sar, sa dembose ra ser, chikpare. Goes like this. Very good. Now we go back to the textbook. We have learned some word before. Ruwa? Okay. Yeah, tene be in the Mikila in the Mikila.
Wow.
Mikila tashi de lake.
Kasi delek.
Mikila di karire. Yes, you can look at the note.
Mar.
Peago mar. Ma ra mar. Rava, butter. Mar, Rava. Vikila, di kharire, Mikila.
Pa, ka, pak,
Mm-hmm.
la, tempo, le, pa, lip, pak, lip,
Aklep, 빼고. 공수래, 공수래.
ama,
아니, 공수래.
mm,
부쿠, 빠, 샵큐푸, 가, 샵큐쿠, 부쿠. 좋아? 빼고, 빼고. Very good. 디소 가레레.
ta, tempo, te, pa, tip,
빼고. 다 댕보 대, 파, 탭. 빼고. 디 가레레.
pa, ra, ka, shakyuku, ra, kuru,
빼고. 가, 샵큐쿠, 라, 쿠르. 빼고. Very good. 디 가레레. 미끼라.
ma, kikumi, ka, mik,
빼고, 빼고. Very good. Good pronunciation. Evolution. तुझे मिकिला. Mik. That's it. Thank you, thank you. Rasu. Evolution. That's it. Yeah. Mikila jela. Yeah, tene Helgela in the Helgela. Helgela. Di karire. Di lorona.
Hmm. Well, I'm not in shape today, so I think I will have to skip
Yes.
talking so much. But I hope to be back next time.
No problem. Please, you can listen today. No problem. Get
Yeah,
well
fine.
soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. No problem. Please. Tene fang fang la in the fang fang la. Rasu.
Lá, chân xin. Lá, lá, na, lần.
빼고. 근데 디?
Đi kha, tha, na, đần.
빼고. then. 응?
Đần, đần. Ra, na, rần.
올라.
Na, na, nần.
빼고. 디?
Đi kha, la, kha, la, khel.
kel.
Khel. Tha, la, thel.
빼고.
La, la, lèn, lèn.
라, 라, 렐. 빼고. 응?
Rel.
야구 순순. 두지치 팡팡라. Thank you. 라수. 응? 테네야 소놈 돌까르라 인다. 소놈 돌까르라. 디탕, 디록탕. 응?
자, 덴보, 테,
빼고.
바, 타, 덴보, 데.
That's it. 데.
예.
빼고. 응? 타, 댕보, 데. 파, 타, 댕보, 데. We can see the sound changes here because of
Yes.
the prefix here. 그봐? 빼고.
Yes.
양결 소놈 돌걸라. 딜로로나.
가, 나로, 코,
응?
마, 가, 나로, 고.
빼고, 빼고. Very good. 빼고, 로송. 두지체 소놈 돌걸라. You have understood. 응? 테네
Yes.
루연라 인. 루연라. 루연라 딜로로나.
아,
다, 다, 가, 가,
다, 가, 닭. soft.
닭,
어? 아니, 디?
밥, 다, 가, 닭,
duck. That's duck.
닭,
the duck. 하고서만
닭.
빼고 빼고 올라서 다 되네야 디인다 Ruyunla.
마라 말
Hmm?
타마라 말
That's it. Mar peo. Tujiche Ruyunla. Thank you. Yeah, tene dawala yin, dawala. Dawala ditang diloruna.
mak,
Mm-hmm.
dao, mak,
Peo.
mak, mak,
Hmm? Mak,
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 peo.
mak.
Hmm? As we can see the difference when Dawala read it. Mak, mak, maka, mak, thao, maka, mak, or tha, maka, mak. Rwa, peo. Tujiche, tujiche, Dawala. Thank you.
그렇죠.
Hmm? Rwa. Then we have here, Rwa, sa, ka, sa, dengbo se, ra, ser. You can hear. Ser, Rwa. Hmm? Then we have here ma, ra, mar. Tha, ma, ra, mar. Pa, naru, po. Marpo. Like this. Mar. Marpo. Rwa? Yeah, tene susi luna la inda. Ditang diloruna. Yeah.
Pa shakyu pu
Uh-huh.
pu. Ao pa shakyu bu.
Yeah. Boo. Boo. Boo.
Bu.
Boo.
Pu bu.
Peo. You can see. Peo losong. Yeah, tene pema jimbala inda. Ditang dilotang. Pema jimbala.
다 된 곳에
Mm-hmm.
아우 다 기구디
That's it. Auta kiku di. That's it.
디
Now the meaning you can see the picture. Di. If you heard it. Di karere. This. Raba di. Te. Something far away. Raba. Te karere. Oh, di karere. Te karere. Boom. Like this. How goes on? Peo. Then we also notice the sound changes here, other than meaning. How goes on? Peo. Hola, so. But these are bad shape. Okay. Hola, so. Now see, we hear any alphabet with the tha suffix or sa suffix makes a sound. A sound. They both are chipare, same way. A sound. Hmm? How goes on? For example, ma tha me, ma sa me, pa tha pe, pa sa pe, ra tha re, ra sa re. Like this. Chipare. How goes on? We have already learned with the na suffix, with the la suffix, with the ka suffix. Right? Now we have tha or sa suffix, which is chipare, same a sound. How goes on? Let's try this. Yeah. Take down the notes like this, and then you can. If we go back to the old note here, here we can add here any sound with the tha suffix a sound. Dithang the chikpare equal to any main sound. Dua. Plus sa suffix. Makes same sound. Ako semua A sound. A. Dua. Okay. Let's practice in the. Tene ya Francoisla in the Francoisla. Francoisla. Ditang
Yeah.
lorona.
Is that me? Okay. Na ta ne.
That's it. Na ta ne. That's it.
Ne.
Tikharere. Tikharere.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I don't know what's happening. Okay. Pa sa pe.
Pa sa pe. Pa.
Pa sa pe.
Because it's ah category. Pa. You have to sound clear, not like a fa.
Pa.
Pa.
Okay. Pa
Hmm.
sa pe.
That's it. Pe. Peabo. Francoisla peabo song. As we can see, the effect of tha and sa suffix, a sound. Na tha ne. Pa sa pe. Like this. Remember?
It's like this. Oh, sorry.
Yes, please.
Sorry. Yeah, please.
Is it like adding a trample? Just changing
Yes,
to a?
very nice. Even if I add
Oh.
dengpo, na dengpo ne, tha ne. Because they both are a sound, no like how goes on visible changes.
Yeah. That
But we don't. Oh, sorry.
that was one of my question. What's the point in writing with a drink po or put a sa suffix, which is the same, it gives the same sound. So what's the point?
Very good, very good. So the point is we have different, same sound, different meaning, and like this. How goes on?
Okay.
It's not that headache like English. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's quite systematic. How goes on? So you will know this. Very good. We are doing very well.
Yeah.
That's all. That's a very good question. This makes the same sound as Dengpo. But why we have this same sound again? Because of same sound, different meaning. My English is not that good, but I will try my best. To describe like this. Okay. Lasso. Then yeah. Oh. Adamla in the Adamla Ditang Dilorona.
So, sa ta se na sa ne.
That's it. Sa ta se na sa ne. Right?
Na sa ne.
Peo. तुझे छे Adamla. Pedro la try cheta. Yeah.
Pa ta pe ka sa ke.
That's it. Okay. Now let's read this. Yeah. Pedro la try this one also.
La sa le.
That's it. La sa le. That's it. There. Very good. Now I'm gonna today introduce a letter. How we write, Ruba? When we have this different sound. For example, here, Ruba, let's take Mm. Let's take ha here, ha of ha category as a main sound. Now let's make a word with the prefix. Let's say mau, tha, the. Mau, tha, the. Like this. Remember? Mau, tha, the. Like this. So now you know prefix, suffix, and main sound here. Now what I want to tell you is sometimes there are letter on top of the main sound. Okay? On top of the main sound. Sometimes there are letter on top of the main sound. Okay? So let me show you here. There is a letter like this. When you look at this, you will see sa is on top of the tha here. Now we have letter like this. For example, we have letter like this. You can see sa is on top of the kha like this. That's what I meant. Sometimes with the here main sound has letter on the top. In English they call it like a superscript. Superscript. Remember? Superscript. We have prefix, suffix, then we have superscript, the letter on the top of the head. Okay. Then one important thing, we must hear this. You must listen to this carefully. Very important. One important thing is whether there is a prefix or letter on top of the main sound, the effect is same as when there is a prefix. Is my English clear or is confusing?
Sorry, please, can you repeat that, please?
Yes. Okay. We know that when there is a main sound, when there is a prefix, the sound changes, right? And it's same goes to here. When there is a letter on the top of the main sound, the sound changes. And the effect is same as a prefix effect.
Could you check?
Okay? Is that clear? That's so. Like this. Effect is same. Taking that point inside and then let's learn how to read this. How to read this letter. Good. So that's how you read it. This to the main sound with the sa on the top. So you read like this. From the top, you read sa. And then on the bottom, we have tha, right? So you read like this. Sa and tha. Then you see here, tak, tak. Tak means tied together. Agosana. It literally means tied together. Okay? In Tibetan. That's how you read it. Sa and tha tied together, the, like this. The tha became the. The change is similar, same, exactly same as the prefix. Tha becomes the. Agosana, like this. So that's how you read it. Let me read it again. This one. Sa tha tak the. Sa tha tak the. Like this. Let's take a ra on the top. Ra tha tak the. Let's take la on the top. La tha tak the. If there is a ra, like this. That's how you read it. Okay? If there is ra on the top, then you write ra tha tak. If there is la on the top, then you write la tha tak. That's it. Hmm? That's how you read it. Here, if there is sa on the top, start from the sa. Sa and tha tak the. Sa tha tak the. Ra tha tak the. La tha tak the. Like this. I didn't say tha, right? I didn't say this one. I didn't say tha. I said the. La tha tak the. Tha. The. Tha. The. Now, if you notice, the effect is same as prefix. For example, let's write tha na then. La tha tak the na then. Right? Now let's take without letter on the top. Khao tha na then. La tha tak da na then. Khao tha na then. Then. You can see, same sound. We need to focus here. Not why it's same, but focus how to read this. Ra tha tak the. La tha tak the. Like this. Sa tha tak the. Like this. Okay? We have sa tha tak the tha. We have the here. Then with the tha suffix, we know it makes a sound. So they. Like this. Okay? No problem if you don't understand it now. We will revision every time, as you can see. Like this. Okay, that's how you read it. Sa tha tak the. Ra tha tak the. La, tha, tak, the. Like this. So there is no more than 3 letters on the top. It's sa or ra or la. Out of these 3. That's it. There is no other words that will go on the top of the main sound. We have only 3 here. Sa, ra, la. That's it. That 3 goes on top of the main sound. And I have shown you here some like this. Now let's take, right now we take only the sound that becomes bolder. Let's take sound that becomes higher. Let's see. If a letter is like this, then how would you read it? The step is same. Sa. Instead of la here, you say sa. Then instead of tha, we have ma. Sa, ma, tak. Then we know the ma becomes ma. Sa, ma, tak, ma. Like this. Ra, ma, tak, ma. Like this. How goes it? So what I want us to focus on is just focus on how to read them. How goes it? Sa, tha, tak, the. Ra, tha, tak. Ra and tha. Try together. The. Like this. Ra, tha, tak, the. La, tha, tak, the. Sa, ma, tak, ma. Ra, ma, tak, ma. Sa, kha, tak, ga. La, kha, tak, ga. Ra, kha, tak, ga. Now let's try to use some suffix. Ra, kha, tak, ga, la, gel. Like this. Now let's use some also vowel. Ra, kha, tak, ga, naro, go, la, gul. Like this. That's it. Just focus on how to read this. Sa, tha, tak, the. Ra, tha, tak, the. Like this. Yeah, let's practice a little bit. Yeah. Pedro Linda, you wanna try? Let's try read this. Yeah.
Okay. Sa, sata, tak, da.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Dinda.
Ra, rata, tak, ki.
Ra, tha, tak, da. Kiku. Kiku. Di.
Okay.
Ra, tha, tak, da. Kiku. Di. Like
okay.
this. Okay.
Okay. Okay. La, la, ta, tak, naru, do.
That's it. You read like this. La, tha, tak, da. Just like you read this. Sa, tha, tak, da. Right?
Okay.
Everything is same. Ra, tha, tak, da. Then add vowel. Kiku, di. Like this. La, tha, tak, da. Then add vowel. Naro, do. Like this. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah.
Okay. Sata, tak, da. Shakyu, do.
That's it.
Okay. Okay. Sata, tak, da. Dempo, de.
That's it. Very good. 빼야골로서. 그렇지. Keep that practicing. 하고 있으나? Keep practicing that. 알았어? Reading practice. 좋아? 야, 되네. 이용라인다. 이용라.
다시 달리.
몰랐어. 다시 내가 이용라 트라이 치기인다. 야, 딜록탄. 이용라.
사, 아, 예, 사, 딱,
네. If we go back here. 사, tak. If it's sa with the tha, sa tha tak. If it's sa with the kha, sa kha tak. Like this. How goes ma? You can hear sa kha tak g. If you read it
끄,
fast, sa kha tak g. Like this.
사, 딱, 끄,
That's it.
사, 딱, 끄, 때, 나로, 고,
That's it. Go. That's it.
사, 딱, 끄, 나, 긴,
That's it. Very good. Sa kha tak ga na gen. That's it. Kaya kulosong. Ako nga yung la. Practice like this. Try to read sa thatak da, sa khatak ga, sa matak ma. Like this. Practice this. Ako nga. Kaya ko do yung la tujiche. Thank you. Laso. No. Tene. Yeah. Imogen la inda. Imogen la. Try chedan. Yeah. Imogen la.
Okay, from. So, samatama, samatama na romo, samatama na men.
That's it. Kaya ko loso. Ako nga. Kaya ko loso. Kaya ko. Very good. Yeah. Elena, try chicken be.
Sa, na, tak. Nen?
Na. Sa
Na.
na.
Sa,
Na.
na. Sa, na. Tak, shapku. Nu.
Read like this. Sa na tak
Sa,
na. Sa
na.
na tak na.
Tak.
Shabkyu no. First say
Shap-
na, then add shabkyu. How goes ma? Like this.
Sa, na, tak. Shabku. Nu.
But you miss sa na tak
Tak.
na.
Na. Shabku. Nu.
That's it. That's how you read it. How goes ma? Very good.
Sha. So sa, na, shabku.
Dimasu. Sa na tak na.
Sa, na, tak. Na. Sa. Where does the shabku go? So I'm reading it. Sa, na, shabku.
No.
No. Sa, na, ma, tak.
Mare.
Shabku.
No. So let me tell you, okay? First
Okay.
you read sa na tak na. You have to read till this.
Okay. Sa, na.
Try to get na. Like this.
Na.
Sa na tak na.
Sa, na, tak. Na.
Then add shabkyu. Sa na tak na. Shabkyu nu. Like this.
Sha, na, shabku. Nu.
Very good try. Repeat after me. How goes now? Sa na tak na shabkyu nu.
Sha na tak shabku nu.
You still miss one part.
Okay.
No,
One more time.
no problem. Sa na tak na
Sa na tak na
shabkyu nu.
shabku nu.
No, that's it. Now let's say sa na tak na shabkyu nu ma num. Right?
Sha na tak nu shabku ma nu.
Very good try. That's lovely. Let me describe it, break it down. Okay. What are you saying from your mouth? Is you say sa na
Sa
tak.
na tak.
Let's break it
Sa
down. You are saying sa and na.
na
Then you are saying
sa
the word tak, right?
tak.
That's it. So basically what tak means is tie together. How goes on? You have to say this word, tak.
You have to say it, okay.
Sa and na tie together in Tibetan tak. Sa na tak
Na tak.
then becomes na like this. In between we have tak, which means tie together. How goes on? Like this. I broke it down here. That's how you read it. Sa
Sa
na tak na.
na na.
That's it. Can you read again?
Sa na tak na.
That's it. Now let's read this. Yeah.
Sa na tak na shabku nu.
That's it. You got it. Now let's add suffix. Yeah.
Sa na tak shabku nu.
Ma, ma.
Ma nu.
That's it. Num. Right?
Nu.
How goes it? You can go back in the video and practice reading this before we come
Very
to
good.
the next class. How goes
Very
it?
good.
It's for all of us. I will suggest it. Whether I call our name in the class or not,
Tak.
we all should practice in the mute if not called yet. So that we get proper practice. How goes it? Not much homework. No need to do much homework. Do well in the class and practice 10 minutes, 5 minutes. That's it. How goes it? Mainly try to enjoy it. How goes it? That's what I will say. So that's all. Boom, boom, shakalaka, dum, dum. That's it for today. Please practice well. That's it. Bye bye. Tata. Sayonara.
Tchau,
Bye bye,
Thank you
Cecilia.
very much.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Bye
Bye
bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank
bye.
Thank
Boom.